Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to talk about abrasive jet machining and we will see its constructional details and working. At the beginning we will talk about its introduction. Generally, abrasive jet machining is the process of metal removal from the workpiece by striking sharp abrasive particles on the workpiece with high velocity. And this process is generally used for machining of hard and brittle material. Now we will talk about its construction. It mainly consists of a gas or air supply tank, and this tank is generally filled with compressed air or compressed gases. And these compressed gases can be nitrogen or carbon dioxide. Then it consists of a filter. The function of this filter is to remove the dust particles from the compressed air or the compressed gas. Then we will see about the mixing chamber or a mixer. In this mixing chamber, the pressurized gas or air is mixed with the abrasive particles in the required quantities. Now we will see the function of foot control valve. It is mainly used for allowing or stopping the flow of mixture of gas and abrasive particles. Then a hand holder is provided to move the nozzle, and at last a nozzle is provided through which the jet of abrasive particles strike on the workpiece. And now we will see its working. Firstly, the abrasive particles are fed to the mixing chamber. The compressed air or gas stored in the gas supply tank is then passed through the filters where the dust particles are removed from it, and at last it is passed in the mixing chamber where it is mixed with the abrasive particles. Then the compressed air or compressed gas is mixed with the abrasive particles evenly by vibrating the mixing chamber with the help of vibrator. The pressure of the mixture in the mixing chamber is controlled by the pressure regulator. Then this mixture of compressed gas and the abrasive particles is passed through the pipe towards the nozzle, and the flow of this mixture is controlled by the foot control valve, and at last this mixture passes through the nozzle and strikes over the workpiece. Due to this striking, the metal process of metal removal takes place due to the erosion caused by the striking of abrasive particles. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of abrasive jet machining. In this process, complicated shapes can be easily machined, but the speed of metal removal is very less. There is no direct contact between tool and the workpiece, so there are less chances of tool damage. But these abrasive particles used for machining cannot be reused again. The purchase cost and the maintenance cost of abrasive jet machining is low, but in this process, ductile material and soft materials are not able to be machined. This process is easy to operate, and the nozzle wear rate is high due to the striking of abrasive particles on it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then like my video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for further interesting videos.